Hey yo, what up, good people? It's your boy Lit CM. I'm the one and only Martinent. As you already know, we are back with another episode. And guys, I've got you guys Dimples Dlamini.
Oh, damn.
Angithi lento kaDlamini uyaphila?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila nami. And by the way, before we start to have our conversation, I just want to let you know ukuthi sinosihle lapha on backstage, so we will be tapping in like from time to time.
Alright.
So yeah, I just wanted to make you aware of that. Mfethu, I'm so excited to have you on the show. How are you feeling?
Hey, nami nje excited kuba lana. Ngiyabonga ukuthi ngila.
Yeah, ne?
Yes.
Yeah, we've been longing to have you on the show. After we spoke to Orila, you know, I got interested when like I saw your profile. I was like, damn, you know. And ezinye izinto, that's where you get to see ukuthi ezinye izinto ngathi uyasala, like, yo, how the hell, like, I don't know you, like, how did that happen? But anyway, and I became interested, and then yeah, hence we have you on the show. Let's first start there. Like, why are you called Dimples? You know, or what?
Oh damn, I do have IFA. And kahlahle legama leli uDimples ngalithola kwi-choir master yami. Shout out to Umpati. You understand? Like bese choir, and he was like every time Dimples. I was like, no, igama elihle lezi because bengisibiza Ayobanes Dlamini. You understand? Yes. So I was like, I think uDimples li right. Plus I do have ama-dimples. Hayi ukuthi asinto engenayo. Yeah, lize kanjalo lo gama.
Oh, so yena ukubize because of ubona ama-dimples kuwe.
Yes.
Oh.
Every time I smell phela mangikhuluma we-dimples. So yeah. Ngachazeka nami phela hayibo.
Yeah, ne?
Yes.
Okay, and you've never changed it, like since then you've been using that name,
Since.
Okay. Mfethu kahle mfethu usingabancisha abantu mfethu usikayi 360 mfethu.
How wema?
Please just young 360 mfethu. Can you get it? Like you can move the mic, it's fine. Ungayimove nje. Sithole 360.
Ningakhali kakhulu.
Let's get a 360 mfethu. Ungama nje lapho, it's fine. Yeah, give us la.
Where?
Yeah, lap. Yeah, I can just turn around. Yeah.
Okay.
So your camera is gonna pick up. But singakhali kakhulu my gents. Yeah, ukayibuyise mic.
All right.
Yeah. Okay. And then I'm not sure if you're comfortable with this one. Like, what is your real name, if I may ask?
Oh, igama lami Ayanda, intombi yakwaDlamini. Yes.
Okay. Ukhulele kuphi? Ukhulele khona la eGoli or like usuke emakhaya? What happened?
Yeah, ngikhulela khona la eKasi eWhite City, yabo.
Okay.
Sibiza iKenza.
Okay.
Yes, but umKenza kashaywa ngithi uyathethiswa.
Okay.
So, ngintombazane nje yaseKasi. Yes.
Oh. Okay. Ukhula nobani mhlambe if I may ask?
Yeah, ngikhulisa umama.
Okay.
Yeah, ngikhulisa umama. Angeke ngithi mhlambe ngeke ngaba privilege ukuthi ngikhuliswa ubaba because ngikhule ngahlali naye. Uyabona? Yeah. Benginokumvakashela ngisasemncane but isikhathi masiloke esihamba indaba zokuthi besingasabonani ngaleyo ndlela.
Why is that? Why, like, what stopped the communication?
Emaqinisweni angazi yabo sivele saba distant, especially makaqeda like mhlambe ukuthola umfazi wakhe. You understand? I'm not saying ki blame umsadi wa high and stuff.
A second wife.
No.
Kwenzakaleni phakathi kwakhe nomama wakho? Let's first start there.
They broke up,
Okay.
obvious. You understand?
And then yena wathola omunye umuntu.
wathola omunye umfazi.
Oh. So that's when things changed.
Yes.
To what extent? Like it's changed how?
It changed to an extent ukuthi my dad used to give me a monthly allowance. You understand? So isikhathi masiloke sihamba like wayikhatha not
stop.
knowing why.
Oh.
You understand? Of which lento lena ile yang affect and nje ayizange yangiphatha kahle at all ngiyibuza nami because angeke ubuze umuntu ukuthi why sekenzeke into eso and at the end of the day imali yakhe uyayisebenzela understand and yilapho ngafunda khona ukuthi like ngisaba ukucela imagine sengihlupha abantu but I can't even ngihluphe ubaba my own dad yabo ngasifundisa lapho ukuthi yazi angithandi mina nje ukucela
bungakanani lapho
I think uqala ukungikhatha ngenza ugrade 10 or 11 because bese ngasayifaki like constantly yabo bese ayifaka lapho nalapho mangimcelile nje ukuthi ish ngiyayidinga yayibona so yeah agcina sekayikhatha completely
oh okay ngicela sondeze mic
kancane
okay so kahle so I'll blame this stepmom kahle yini what's the real reason when I'm so big like injongoba uthi I'll blame the actual stepmom or na stepmom unayi impact ya yonke lento le
I feel like unayo impact because as umuntu wesimame imagine if abantwana bakho abatholi isupport how would you feel understand in this case bekumele ngabe uyifake ecathulweni zami since ahlala nendoda yakhe you understand amtshela ukuthi mara like baby how unomntwana ngaphandle awucabanga ukuthi mhlambe umyenzelo okuthizeni you understand so I think naye nje akadlala ngerole yobumama because ngiyamthanda lo yamama you understand ngiyamthanda yeah kunjalo nje so mina bengifisa nje ukuthi kube mhlambe bekadlala leyo role abo umama angabe umama ebantwaneni bakhe kuphela understand nami anginclude
naye unabantwana
yes unabantwana yes
ubathole kubaba wakho noma naye
ubathole kubaba wami bahlala bonke nje yes
so wena kuba bakho like are you the first born or what
yeah ngi first born waqala ngami nje wazi ukuthi yakhona ukuzala wabona ngami nje ukuthi yo kanti mina ngiyakhona ukuzala you understand so lento iba bhlungu kakhulu nje ukuthi uthando lukababa yabona
and then lento lena like I affected kanjani ke like impilo yakho nje as a whole like from the time he stopped like sending you money obviously it wasn't even about the money like necessarily
yes.
It was also about uthando lakababa like yabo and support like cause ezinye izinto there are things ubaba that can protect you from you see especially like when it comes to izinto zasestradeni and stuff obviously it needs someone on a manpower ukuthi like akwazi ukuthi protect so yak affecta kanjani this thing
I feel ukuthi if bekakhona empilweni yami kube mhlambe ngikude kakhulu ngelife you understand I'm not saying angikho kude but kube ngikude kakhulu because ekukhuleni kwami angitshela ukuthi yazi mntanami mawuqeda isikolo ngokubekela imali ukuthi uhambe uyofunda you understand so lento leyo beyisengqondweni yami ukuthi at least I'm covered you understand so mase kuqala kwenzeka izinto so I was like ish yo no man ngizoqala ngakuphi because noma ngithi ngikhalela kuye kuba into ukuthi ngizokuyenzela aphume kimi zokuyenzela aphume kimi you understand
so wazama ukukhuluma naye but
ngazama kaningi just like now last year ngebirthday yami ungipromise ukuthi uzongithengela ipresent up until now angakayithola ipresent le you understand and asingulomuntu mina olandela naye you understand nje
so niya communicate naye
sa communicate but I feel like ungipusha away because there was a point lapho ngimcela khona daddy like lempilo le is not about money I just need your love you understand you being present life in yami what can I do ukuthi like ngithole uthando lwakho you understand his response was like okay no problem so akangiphanga isolution ukuthi okay kumele kenzakaleni because ayukuthi angilidinga uthando lukababa kona izinto ezenzakala empilweni mhlambe ezidinga ipresent kababa you understand this thing is not about money
yeah
Yes.
Yeah, it's not. And shout out to Chaka Dollar. He once mentioned Antolena. What's Chaka Dollar? Like being a present as ubaba, it's more important than a present, like a gift.
Yeah.
So
He did mention
we have one ukuthi listen to it comes back again
Yeah, it's
to this thing ukuthi kahle it's very important like ukuthi ubaba abe present in your life, you know, regardless ukuthi uyasebenza akasebenzi, regardless ukuthi can you provide or not, you see.
Yes.
Just like ukuthi abe present yena, it means a lot to you. And then what is it that you would say izinto mhlambe that you went through that you would say if only bekakhona maybe I would have been able to achieve this and that and stuff like that? Iziphi izinto bowustruggle ngazo like without yena empilweni yakho?
First things first, I remember that time we close. Like ubaba akafuni next ngami ne. Nanoma like mhlambe besihamba sethu and then sithole a group of boys bahleli lapha ya. Like bengabi comfortable mntanami, like bekangiprotector. You understand? I feel ukuthi kube mhlambe bekakhona empilweni yami. Mhlambe namanje mhlambe ngokugcinela ubujiji bami Nkosi yami.
Hey madoda.
Yes.
Okay. Hayi, uyabona ndoda into ekhandayo manje. Uyabona ukuthi sokonakele manje wena. Uyabona ukuthi ukhandeni manje.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh.
Because bekangigqugquzela yena shem. Ngiyangibona ukuthi okay, hayi ngoba engafuni ukuthi ngijole or kenzeke something, but because of bekafuna ngigcine ngibe naleso sithunzi, uyayibona lento le. Yeah, nami somehow bengimotivate shama ngifuna ukutshela ama bengithi mangiganda ngigande hey bonakala namanje ngisaganda kubonakala.
Yeah.
Yes.
ongitshela uqale nini ngathi ukujela?
I think it's a relationship yam serious.
Yeah. Oh, le minye bekuyimidlalo.
Lenye hayi yabo mina
Bekuyingedo.
yeah bekingedo because of
Bekudlalwa.
bekudala because ngangisaba mina ukungena like nomfana egumbini like ngangisaba bengangeni mina nomfana besigcina nje estradeni ngokiss nje baby. Uyabo so ngangisaba kahle i relationship yami serious iqale ngo-2019. Yes.
Bowusabela nini like is it your mom mhlambe bekakutshela ukuthi hey abafana it's this abafana it's that, like what is it le ebikwenza ukuthi mhlambe ube naleyo fear leyo?
Sabo kumitha.
Umama asomuntu okhuluma kakhulu. But benginalento lokuthi ngifuna umemulo.
Oh.
Yes, umemulo.
Ugcina wazi ukuthola.
Angutholanga kodwa ke ngayenza lesilungu Nkosi yami 21st. But like iwishambe ukuyenza lesinto. Uyabona? Yes.
Yini le ekahle ubuyithanda ngomemulo? Yini le yakwenza ukuthi ube na idea yokuthi you know what ngifuna ukuba nomemulo? Because I think there was a motive behind lento leyo ukuthi you know what ngifuna umemulo because of this. What was the reason yokuthi wena ufuna umemulo?
Okay. Ezaphambili ukuthi bengifuna ukuyigcina.
Yeah.
Ne okwesithu ukuthi like not to say bengifuna ukuprove a point or something, but already ama mindset wabanye abantu bekuthi hayi uDimples akasasejiji, you understand? So yes bengifuna kuba lapho ukuthi hey guys ngisigcinile mina lento enicabanga ngama siyiyo istopeni, you understand? Yes khona abantu bayathanda uku-assume Nkosi yami hi.
And how do you react like to such things when mabaloke bathi Dimples this, Dimples that, Dimples this, Dimples that, like what's your reaction towards such things?
Kuyamayiza because of like abantu bahlezi ba opinionated, bahlezi banama opinions,
yeah,
and
you can't say anything about
exactly
it, and you can't change their opinions.
Exactly. So ku useless nje ukuthi ngithi kumuntu why ngimlwisa ukuthi ucabanga into esongami ukuthi ayikho vele. Uyayibona injalo nje.
Yini bo umuntu wamaphathi nano?
Not really as nje mina ngumuntu ophaphile mara kodwa yazi ngumuntu o active yayibona so mhlawumbe abantu babangibhekile babona kahle ukuthi hayi lo forward lo uphambili lo maybe nabantu abaningi babayitshela hayi lo naye anyeke aqede isikolo lo hayi lona uzomitha lo angosi yami ngisasene flat stomach ningawari inkosi hayi yes ikanjalo nje
and then yak-affecta kanjani lento ukuthi ugcine ungawutholanga like umemulo like the actual ceremony le buyifuna did it affected you in any way what happened
inhliziyo yami yababuhlungu cause bengingazi ukuthi ngizomqala pho mama phela bengiloke ngicabanga ukuthi yo sengiyobamba u21 you understand ngizomqala kaphi mama wami cause nakhona ubutshitshi bami buhambe ngendlela dom
hambe kanjani
you understand I feel like bangirobha ubutshitshi bami
hayibo
yes
what this guy hayibo
urobha ubutshitshi bami but I loved him ngimthandile ngendlela yokuthi yazini ngomxolela mara kusalayo kwakuyi present yami leyo ngifuna ukuyivula ngendlela right I present but then kwayenzeka nkosi yami
iphi indlela right ufuna ukuyivula
ukuthi ngithola umemulo lozo ngigqekeza avela khokhe yayibona azongigqekeza nje avela khokhe angamani nje angigqekeze mahala exactly because angithi vele umemulo is all about that ukuthi mhlambe uba ready ukuthi so ngashada kahle understand ukuthi mhlambe manga explain umemulo umcimbi wesintu oyenzelwa intombazane eseyifike ku21 you understand lapho ke iyakutshela ukuthi okay intombazane seyimove to a certain stage yobuntombi yabo lapho uhlatshelwa inkomo kuyasinwa uthola ama gifts and then so celebrate kahle ukuthi uzigcinile ezintombi exactly and then so ready ukuthi ushade uyayibona
manje ayisebangagqobhoza
hayi manje mina bangirobha yo
bagqobha kanjani this guy
urobhe kanjani
yo guys nifuna ngiye deeper
I
would like to know what happened
maybe not so thola mathipo phela
yabo hey this guy uhlakaniphile this guy kodwa mase umbheke hey uhlakaniphile lenkunzi le hey
ihlakaniphile maridom askisi ungabe offended
yini kanti ukhona la
no
akekho la
no
okay yeah wakopha kanjani mfethu what happened
so guys ngiyafuna ngiyedipa how into eyenzeka angitshela ukuthi relax yaba ngeke enzeke into so ngithi uyangithembisa because like kuthi vele kade hayi shem kade angilindila patient shem angifuna ukutshela manga because sa thandana 3 years
hayibo angakaze
mfethu
madoda ayikwakufanele kodwa aqobhoza ayingeke
hayi mara naye bekungasisikhathi esiright ngoba bengihlezi ngimculela
no but we waited so long this guy nami
umuntu makakuthanda ngithi uyakumela kodwa
3 years
like umuntu makakuthanda uyakumela
ungincisha
umuntu makakuthanda andazi ukuthi ama plans wakho athini ifana noma like uku relationship and you have certain plans umuntu wakho kumele akusupport angakujudge you understand because at the end of the day kule relationship simele supportana usupporta ivision yami ngisupporta yakho
yeah but hayi ukuthi ungincishe
uzwa ngathini mina kuye ngayazi ngamuphi option yokuthini it's okay uyabona ukuthi ngifuna umemulo mara ungadla ngaphandle mina nginankingi
okay
yayibona ngangimphile option ukuthi ungadla anyeke ngikwade because ngiyazi anyeke uyithole kimi you understand
uyasithanda isithembu
ngeke sibali sharing is not caring
but bovumile ukuthi ashaye
ashaye because of mina bengiyeke ngimuphe
but remember those people azobe bashaya nabo they're going to catch feelings and it might end up to like to a certain level ukuthi relationship yabo ingaba more stronger
ngangitshelile phela ukuthi hayi okuyenzeka kuyenzeka it's not like phela khona into engizoyiluza ngisagcina ubutshetshe bami
But
Yeah.
bomthanda at the end.
Yena bengimthanda.
So wenzani ke wadlala wenzani?
Wadlala nkosama ayithi fa. Wadlala athi fa. Ngakwata ngathi awungikhaphi. Sengiright ngikhaphi. Ngaso sikhathi mangifika endlini ngiyazibuza ukuthi yo nkosama ngikhona ukuthi ngibheke umzala wami emehlweni. Phela ngithi abazali bayabaza abantwana babo, especially abomama. Bathi babona ngamehlo ukuthi hayi wena.
Yeah ne.
You understand? So ngangifika nje ngishalaza endlini nkosami ngingambheki nomama phakathi kwamehlo because ngazi sekumoshekile.
Eish.
Nanoma shembe sekabonile but azange ngibuza yazi.
Yeah ne.
So wafila kanjani after lapho? How was the feeling?
Yokuqhobhozwa.
Yeah.
Ayo benga feel right.
Yeah ne.
Benga feel right at all.
And Diana, what was his reaction towards when?
After yonke lento.
Bengabone isola mina. Kade vele
Proud,
ehlosile kuyenza.
Yeah.
Uyayibona
We
bengaboni
achievile
nje mina
i-goal,
uyi
yeah.
achievile. Hayibo ungahlala nomuntu macada bathunga ungafuni ukuqhobhoza. Every time yena uza kuwa ugqoke kahle uyakhalisela. Obvious ngelinye ilanga uzoyitshela nawe engqondweni ukuthi ngizoqhobhoza la nyanga imiyeko wami phela lo.
Oh nawe bowumhalisela.
Guys mina uNkulunkulu ngiphila ngiyifihla anginamntwana. Angiphila uNkulunkulu. So ukuthi ngigqokani okay angigqoki ngendlela ukuthi manje I'm too revealing but obviously ngiyaqoka ukubonisa ukuthi ngiyintombazane phela yibo.
But didn't you consider yourself like as a red flag at the time? Because remember, most girls like boys sleep around like it was, I think 2018, 2019, even now, like it's still that thing. It's girls like but few girls like asasama virgin, yabo, and obviously laba abama virgin, they are considered as a red flag. When didn't you felt in that manner, you know what, I'm like a red flag, like, you know, people when they see me, especially with boys, if like bathole ukuthi we virgin wena awukayani nani
Yeah, ngathi usaphethe isidala.
yabona usaphethe isidala, let me run away.
Yeah.
Hey, one thing about Dimples akathanda ukufitha in.
Oh
Yeah.
Noma izinto like zingangidlula as long as zingihambelana nama values wami akunalapho engizohlabeka khona, you understand? Anje angithandi nje mina ukufitha in. Yes.
Okay. And then singene kumemulo, going back to umemulo, iziphi ezinye izinto like ezenzwayo before the actual ceremony yememulo? Because I think angazi kune yini, there's something they called
Umhlonyana.
yeah, what is that actually?
I think okay angina knowledge ngawo yabo
Okay.
because angaze ngahamba leyo ndlela vele.
Okay.
But umhlonyana yenzela intombazane ese reach at the age of 16.
Okay.
Yes. Yabo kusuke kusho ukuthi stage lapho ke yabo. Anye ngichaze kakhulu because angina idea but into engiyazi ukuthi sikuyenzela umntwana ona 16 years.
Osayigcinile into.
Osayigcinelo yintombi. Kuyasina nje nalapho nje. Yabo.
Thiwa bogogo bayabhadalwa kumemulo. How true is that? Like ukuthi mhlambe aqamba mangathi hayi man usaseyintombi lo muntu lo.
Yeah, I've heard of that. But somehow angithi bathi khona into abagqokisa yona and then yiyo nje ezosikhulumela nkosami ukuthi hayi wena so moshile. Konje bayibizana lento le. Angazi mariphuma ngathi enkomeni. Yeah, agqokisa mayihlepo mayiwa.
Umhlwehlwe lo.
Yes, umhlwehlwe. Yabona? Mangabe nje yawa kusho ukuthi wena iphelile indaba yakho ukuthi ubhadala ugogo akuza moba unless umbhadalile wena wamconvince ukuthi mina nyenge ngigqoke lento le.
Yeah.
Yebo.
And then enye into bathi kushintsha nezulu, like to an extent ukuthi kungashintsha nezulu kwenzakala izinto ezi weird. How true is that? Like and ihlangana kanjani this thing nezulu? What I don't understand. Like ma kwenziwa that ceremony, Like it's one of the things that I've heard. You see, I'm trying to find knowledge because I'm not I don't know. You see, I don't have a full validation of such things.
Yes.
Yabo.
Hey, I think ngokwesintu nje izinto ziyakhuluma mangabe umuntu vele olandelela isiko kangako uzo understand ukuthi makenzeka so into so you understand yeah I think nje mawazi isintu nje wena ukuthi vele hayi ngiyasazi uzo understand ukuthi mhlawumbe makushintsha izulu hayi okumakenzalani but mina akina idea sham
Yeah, ne.
So
Yeah.
emntombini bakho wena buhamba umhlanga wo.
cha bengawahambi but bekuyiplan yami ani bengizohamba masengiyenza umemulo
Oh.
yeah bekuyiplan yami nje ukuthi ngohambe sengiyenza umemulo
Then yini into eyikumotivate like ukuthi uhlalo intombi into. What was the motivation? Because obviously motivation angithi ma intombi into ukuthi uhambe wona umhlanga but wena bowungahambi. You see, which is yini lebo uyisebenzisa as an inspiration yokuthi uhlale uyintombi into.
Okay, ekukhuleni kwami bengijoine enye i-club lapho like kuyagidwa kushaya ama-drum like kwenziwa izinto zesintu. You understand? Besigcoka ama-traditional attire, sihambe sibe masinama events sihambe so performa. Yabo? Like bengibona ukuthi okay lento leyo man. Somehow nabo beba motivate into zamatshitshi, you understand? So yeah man ngiyabona ukuthi okay lento le I journey right for me namhlanje mangaqhubeka ngayo yabo sengayigcina vele ama event anjalo amnanda ngifuna ukutshela manje
Yes, because izinto ezimotivate.
ngoba namanje nje mangibheka ama video amatshitshi ngiyakhala ukuthi inkosi yami ana kube mhlawumbe abangirobhanga ubutshitshi bami mhlawumbe kube ngisaseyilo
Usakhala ngale.
ngisakhala yangihetha yazi like angikho happy ngalendlela ebohambe ngayo uyayibona angikho happy
But phela kumele uaccept ululu.
Accepta ngiya-accepta
Because umthanda nawe ngithi.
Yeah, it's not like umuntu ongamthanda.
mara ungibonisile ukuthi abantu ngabo bathemba ngelife yakho
Into akufundisa yona le.
yeah abantu ngabo bathemba ngelife yakho because uzothi umuntu uyamthemba kanti wena self usifake engozini
Yeah.
you understand because manje iyenzeke nje lifetime abusabuyeli phambili
Awubanga usaqhubeka naye. Okay.
complicated
Waqhubeka. Naqhubeka.
ngaqhubeka yabo kuze nje sikhavere leyo 3 years ngaqhubeka naye
Yeah.
yabo up until nje angenzele
So umnika ngendlela eright manje.
Yeah, so after lapho yo naye washo ukuthi yo jackpot isebenzile plan yami. Yo
phela
ayisiphalile.
hayibo hayi
Then what happened? Like, cause obviously they say if umuntu like akubreakile, it's hard like ukuthi mhlawumbe umkhohle uhlukane naye. I think you've went through that. Like, is that true?
eqiniso ngahlukana naye ngimthanda because of
Why?
ayenza izinto ezibukwayo
Bekayenzani?
no anye ukuthi ngiqhobhoza ubutshitshi maqedwe uyahamba uyenza izinto ezisinakse estradeni usijose inye kubambe namanga zokubamba clever
Hey, batshela lo current ke manje wathi nawe mawugangu zobanje.
Hey mina ngiyabambana mina. Anye mhlambe uzoshothi anye kube imanje but eventually into ehambiselana nomoya wami maqedwe uyitshela ukuthi mina anye ngokuthola unamanga. Uzobanjwa clever.
Lene nenza nesikhwele kangaka.
Yeah.
Lene nenza nibe nesikhwele. Like nifuna ukubheka yonke into eyenza.
Hey, nasigada left right and center nifuna yonke into every details.
I think isikhwele asumuntu mina onesikhwele really mangabe mhlambe kuhamba kahle ku relationship. Mina ku relationship as long as umuntu a communicator ku right. Yeah, angiphi isikhathi ku right. Understand? But into ebanga isikhwele guys loyalty. Anye kuzongigila ngokubhaca kaningi ukuthi mhlambe wena uyangchitela. Obviously ngizoba nalento leyo ukuthi kahlahla wena nanoma uphumile. Kusho ukuthi khona lapho suke uyobamba khona. You understand lento le create isikhwele anyeke ngisaba free nama so uphumile ukuthi yo
Mhlawumbe uyaganga.
Exactly. Yabo hayi umoya wakho ohlala ngokuthula phela.
Then ugayi kwenzakala nombamba or what?
Hayi ngambhaca. Ithi iyenye umbhaca uyede yazi and naye ngamxoxela. So Eish. Sekuzobonakala ukuthi manje ngikhuluma ngaye.
Hey.
So ithi ngibeka ukuthi beka emcimbini, yabo. Mina ngazi ukuthi beka emsebenzini. Yabo, only to find that beka emcimbini. Hayi emcimbini okujayiva but emcimbini.
Okay.
So la ngebusuku, okay, usually umuntu mangimfonela uyabamba amafoni in yabo. So ngiyamfona akabamba amafoni. So ngiyaqala kuba worried manje mina nje mina umuntu mangabamba ifoni akuma ngiphendula inhliziyo yami yama because ngivele ngicabange kakhulu, yabo. Yeah, so hayi ebusuku ngiyalala. Mangilala ngiphuphe nje, yabo. Ngiphupha bathi kimi hayibo yabona kusasa mawuzoya kuye angifuni ukukhuluma igama. Sasa mawuzoya kuye itsira uzothola ukuthi ushonile or like uku critical condition, you understand? It's either uyaya or kanjani.
Like uthole awareness nje ngayo.
Exactly. So ngivuka nalento lokuthi yo what if khona into enzakele kuye, understand? Plus ngiyamfonela nasekusena akabamba amafoni kenzakalani, yebo. Hayi vele ngihambe ngiye kuye mangifika Nkosi yami.
Okay, wenze.
Hayi ubambile.
Damn it.
Funny enough nginesikhiya.
Eish.
Nginesikhiya phela ubamba kanjani lapha engine access khona.
Eish.
Yebo.
Uyayivulela wena.
Hayi ngenhlanhla beka utheke imbeka phuma etoilet makabuya zanga sakhiye kusho ukuthi bekumele ngibone vele lento abangitshele yona ukuthi hamba phela uyobona because kube mhlawumbe ngisukumelanga kube namanje nje ngisasedom ngisahleli ku relationship nomuntu ongangihloniphi.
How?
Yeah.
But angithi sometimes like guys banokuba like the main chick yabo and then these other chicks like
ngidlali kanjalo.
Why?
Ngcolisa bani?
Ukungcolisa in what way?
Yamahamba ulala uthatha ama spirits ngcolisa bani?
Oh ubuya besazolala nawe then sekangcolisa wena.
Exactly.
Are you spiritually gifted? Because bongeke uthola this whole how can I put it, this dream obenayo ungekho spiritual gifted are you?
Yeah, ngiyathanda ngiyabona leyo question. Yeah, I am, yabo. Most of the time ngibonisa ngamaphupho vele. Yabona? And hayi ukuthi nalamaphupho mawafika afika ukuthi hayi bangibonisa enye into ifika ingqo.
Hey madoda. Yonke into uyibona nje clean.
Ifika ingqo nje. That's why ngithi naye kwafika ukuthi ihamba khona something wrong ngaye. Yayibona? Ukuyisukumela kwami.
Then lo manje akaboniswa next mhlambe.
Hayi lo hayi. Alright. Alright. Ayona lo hayi. Ngibonga abaphansi.
Ubonga abaphansi kulo. Hey madoda. Shothi the day uthola something hey
Omayidululu.
Hey madoda.
Yeah.
Okay. And then umamakho like wamtshela kanjani like this thing like okay so breakiwe awusase intombi into phela yena mhlambe usase naleya mindset ukuthi man umntana wami usase intombi into because even though mhlambe azothi mayekubheka abe nalento ukuthi hayi man u1 no2 aba balance yabo but the fact yokuthi wena wakamtsheli yabona still kumenza ukuthi abe uncertain about that. So wathola kanjani?
Mina mama angizange ngamtshela, reason being ngimhlonipha kakhulu. So ezinye izinto angikhona ukuthi mhlambe ngimtshele ngiba nokusaba. I feel ukuthi mangizomtshela kuzoba ngazathi ngiyamdisrespect. You understand? Yes, maybe makabonile ubonile but bengingenaso leso sibindi sokuthi ya mama sekenzakala into so ngiyasaba. Yebo ngiyasaba nje.
Umama kumuntu njani? Like would she fight maybe if mhlambe umuntu obozokhuluma naye yini lento lebekwenza ukuthi umsabe? Because I think as much as uyintombazana umam like it should be a place where you can vent out ezinye izinto yabo as much as you can vent out to your friend because now she's that person, she is a woman yabo, so you can vent out to also your mom because now she's a woman and which is umuntu okuzalile vele, so it's someone in a way that you look up to, that you love with your whole entire heart.
Emaqinisweni manje saxoxa but asixoxi ngendaba ze relationship nkosi yami yabo I think sasenale mentality ukuthi umama wami ngiyamhlonipha wangikhulisa eyiwani yabo so ezinye izinto angikho comfortable ukuxoxa naye as much as like ngingenabangani like I don't have friends but nje ngidila nama situation amnyiwani or no boss through
Ubostro ubani ubostro manje
ubey
oh madoda how
yeah so yeah izinto eziningi nje angixoxi no mama and I feel ukuthi noma bengine relationship no baba benye ngikhona ukuthi ngiyamtshela yeah understand yes
I know ngiyakuzwa okay then I think nabantu ngithema ngithi usay i360 la I think there are people abathema bekubona I think lento lena you even like get it a lot like no social media people tend to consider you as a baddie I think you know what a baddie is
am
I wrong am I wrong
ukuthi ngibhedi
ukuthi people
I
tend to
vele
have that
I
mentality ukuthi mabekubona they consider you as a baddie
true
so now it's the time to address that like why like do you feel like people bakubona in that eye is it how you move how you do things how you portray yourself like what is it
maybe movement yeah
hey
maybe indlela futhi engiyume ngayo kaza ngizenzanga you understand cause it's bangakuxoxela istory sam ngisafunda isikolo
what happened
there was someone bafuna ungilwisela ukuthi ngime kanje
hayibo
yes like literally afuna ukungitrapa athi wena uphusha ibhulu imagine
yini bekumfana
intombazana
yeah
cabanga mfethu
what like beka umngani wakho
no classmates nje ake nina ke phusha dibunu obviously ngakhula ngayo vele lento from primary hayi vele mina mangihamba guys hayi mangihamba nginyathela ngabantwana hayi hayi mawufila nje intimidated as kids but mina nje mangihamba vele hayi angizochange work yami just because of wena ufila somehow ngayo
nanokuthi ukubona kanjani
alibala
so does it matter like to people mhlawumbe abahlezi bathi hey you are a baddie you are this you are that because obviously ama-baddies are considered as amantombazana I wouldn't say how wrong but in a way like akusi the people that you would say abazali babe proud of if like you are a baddie yabo so abazali like they tend to have akusi into abangayigqaja ngayo ukuthi man umntanami it's this they don't like that
yeah I think yazine mina mhlambe the reason why abantu bangibona ngathi ngiyibhedi babadidwa ama socials wami understand nakhona naye nokuthi kuma socials ngiposta izinto ezingasile hayi guys ngiyazipostela mina ngiziwokhela hayi ukuthi ngishow offer induna yebo makabashe kwathi your mama gave you you understand so mhlambe bacabanga into abayenza ukuthi bacanga ukuthi ngiyibhedi guys asingibhedi na I'm a good soul church going person I don't have friends I don't do clubbing unless mhlambe nginama performance
okay
yeah understand yeah mangiphuzela endlini yabo nje kunjalo nje
uyaphuza futhi
ngiyaphuza mara asile into uthi ngiphuza uyabo yeah
usonta kuphi
okay thingikulandele ke manje ekhaya bekunesonto ngingasho ukuthi bekune because angisekho sure ukuthi lisasekhona kaliseka because akusadikena naye yabo bekunesonto yabona lapho ke hey yeah bekunesonto what happened ukuthi ngaliyeka isonto so manje angisana sonto eli straight because I feel ukuthi la ekasi akunale sonto leli elihambelana nomoya wami. You understand? Lama apostol lawa angithanda ama apostol esigubhu esigasayo. I prefer if mhlambe yazi lama apostol aseval.
Okay.
Yeah, wegubhu nje lama lengoma lezi zasevali nje. Yeah, ngilapho shem. Yabo. So manje ngisavakasha angakatholi isonto eli straight. But immediately ngilithola khona isonto engilibonile nje lapha ekasi. Ngizozinikela nje soon. Yeah. Yes.
And then umentioned indaba yamakhwaya. Uculela amakhwaya?
Yes.
Uculela iphi ikhwaya?
Ihlongu Jesu.
Ihlongu Jesu.
Yes. And ngaqala ukucula amakhwaya ngenza grade 6 ngimncane voice yami etshoniniza Nkosi yami yazi ningakamechori.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, ihlongu Jesu. Yeah.
Also, you also sing.
Yeah.
Can you give us like a bit of a taste? Hlampe sizwe. Can you give us now, or you prefer giving us later on? Mase soival.
Yeah, sithi later on yabo ngingishaye ngamanothi nyana. Yabo.
Okay,
yes.
Okay, no, it's fine. Okay, it's also fine. Ngizwile futhi ubale indaba yokuthi mawubhukiwe. What else do you do?
The artist, get the appearance, get promoter. Yes.
Because na kitsewa wena a content creator.
Yes, I am.
Yes. When did you start like making like a content?
Yeah. Akuqala nje mina.
And how did it start actually? Iqale kanjani?
It's ngiqala ngeFacebook yami because I think iyo enze ngabhoma like so.
Oh.
You understand?
Okay.
Khona le video nje esnacks so ngikutshela ukuthi mina kuma socials I might just walk or ngenza ama dance challenge, you understand? So le video le bengizokhela nje emotweni and then wow. Nkosi yami. Yaba.
That's all a lot of attraction.
Yes. Ngaleyo nje.
Oh. Then it gave you numbers.
It gave me numbers, yeah, exactly.
Were you a content creator before, or you're in there going to be like, you know what, maybe I should start making videos of my own because people like what I post actually?
I was not a content creator, mina. Bang creator my socials nje uthi it's post just like everyone else,
yeah,
you understand?
Okay.
Bengaplananga nokuthi mhlambe ngizogcina ngiba ne following engaka. Yabo. But deep down bengazi ukuthi abantu na ke khona etsa ntse so haven't I'm capable, so why not ngingazipush since you futhi ne number engivumele. You understand? Yes.
Then that's how you became more consistently in posting.
Yes.
But speaking of consistency, you are not consistent, especially on Facebook. I don't know if it's me who's picking that up. While I was doing my research, the videos that you post, like you take time sometimes to post, because I remember there was a content creator that I once invited on the show, and it was he actually. The guy said he makes like 3 posts like 3 times a day.
Yeah, 3 times a day.
Yes.
Uncle Moy.
Yes. So when with your and mang bega namanya ama content creators, shout out to about Thando Comedy, about LP Go, those are the guys nabo. Esbabona ba poster like every day. Yabo, about baby powder. You see, it's a lot just to mention few. So why when cause as much as ubona ukuthi cause bona I think in the eba push ukuthi they keep on posting, it's because of they see ukuthi people love what they post as much as now when you post people love what you post. So why lento leyo ungayisebenzisa as a motivation for you ukuthi keep on posting more videos, and why you like inconsistency?
Okay, ngizoqala ngokuthi yabona kuningi okuzaya nilindele nje uDimples ukuthi hey kuyashuba ne, and then I reason sikuphenduleka manje. The reason why mhlambe bengingabi consistent is because okay, angazi noma ngimentionile earlier or something. I was running solo. I handle ama-socials wami, you understand? Sometimes angifuna ukushoot content. I don't know who to shoot with, you understand? Angazi ubani ozongibambela i-camera, you understand? So, sometimes ukuposta ama-content ujiva nkosami, yes.
So look, you have a certain idea of a video oyifunayo, but because
exactly.
of I get that character mhlambe ongamsebenzisa for that video, like it just shutters everything down.
Yes, but manje ngivuke ngesipiliyoni.
Hey madoda.
Bhekeledla. Hayi kuyashuba, kuyaba manzi phansi. Ngivuke ngayo yonke into.
Yeah. So
manzi nte.
Hey madoda. Siyakhala mos. Okay, and ngibonile futhi ukuthi usebenza nabo. Who's this guy? There's this guy usebenza no Baby Powder. Lo bahlale bomshanga impama manje emavideweni.
uTangovion. Shout out to you Tangovion.
Yes. How did you meet that guy? Like uhlangane kanjani with the guy? What happened?
Okay, uTangovion ngimazela eKasi, bekahlala eKasi. So bekuguy nje ngimazi estradeni nje. Tempo, Tangovion yabo. Gama lakhe konje ngikhohliwe, but nje bekumuntu nje emakhuluma yabo. So up until sihlangana nje yabona this year or last year seshootha indaba zama content izinto ezinjalo yabo. The reason why bengithi angifuni mina umuntu ongizela ngementality ukuthi ngiyakufuna in angisho ukuthi bekangifuna ungayibambi wrong. Uyabo?
Yeah.
Especially mangu relationship, you understand? Umuntu ongizela kanjalo uvele angwisa umoya. Noma aze ngama intentions are right, but izangu ukuthi asebenze because I'm all about work, bro. I want to work, I want to move. Yabona? Yes, akube kanjalo.
Ngapha wena. Ufuna ukusebenza.
Yena ubona into. Ngapha yena ubona umsebenzi.
Exactly.
Sifaka inkingeni manje.
Apatena umuntu right.
Ayisahlangani manje.
Yeah, umsebenzi nepleasure sikaza zahambelana.
Yeah,
yes.
But kodwa phela ukwenza kwabafana lokho. Yeah, abafana abanjalo mfethu.
Hey guys.
Angeke sebenze singahlobani then ngithanda ngithulilini.
Mara guys, asebenzeni masebenza. No, angifuni kube ngazathi manje for example, if ngilethele opportunity, you understand, and then ngapho uyangishela. Angifuni kube ngazathi manje ngikuqomele because of sengifuna ukuaccept le opportunity. Kufana uthi like angipha ama choice, akube umsebenzi clark. Itsira umsebenzi or nothing. You understand?
But awucabanga ukuthi ukudate someone owenza same thing naye kungaba ngcono.
Yeah, like it can work in your advantage.
Guys, no baby.
Baby wenza the same thing.
No, akudingeki nokuthi baby ayenze the same thing, guys. You understand? As ngishilo.
Awufuni kulesa space sakho.
Guys, you are as ngishilo nje loyalty.
Yeah.
Nje, I'm all about that life.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah. Sometimes kuyadingeka ukuthi ungabe all over, guys. You are
Yeah, ne? Xavier from what? Like if you could explain.
His tones.
His tones. Oh.
Mhlampe nanomudlula. Noma mhlampe abantu ubashaya ngendiva nje. Bangabi nalento uthi ngingazositshela ngalo sedlulile. You understand? Amela ngube nje athi yo uyayitshela ma. Ngumele uyayitshela mara hayi yena ayisamfuni. Ngamaza athi uyayitshela hayi sedlulile. Ngifuni nje le. Yes, abafana bazohlezi bakhulu uyayitshela lona in. But it's tunes. Ngiyayitshela then what? Ungithola next.
Are you talking from experience? Like, in such a thing, like, yeah?
Hey, yes, ngilale.
Are you talking from experience?
Yeah. Ayangazi.
It seems so. It seems so.
Kodwa lento lengathi ikwenza ube proud ukuthi yeah vela uzange ngithole noma ungangifuna.
Exactly. Man, you are yazine. Mina sham I feel good mina ngokuthi ngihimi ngepersonality yami and angiyisoul.
Ulokusihalisela.
Like angiyisoul futhi. Uzogcina ngokukhala amehla wakaza ngena le. amehla agcina ngokubheka nje awakaze angena le so I am very proud exactly so noma ngitholile nje you were fortunate but nje
And then how do you handle people like abeza with that mentality yokuthi sifuna ukuspana nimagcina bakushela like we maintain kanjani situation enjalo
khona omunye thini xoxela isikhigaba ke manje khona omunye ne angi-approach ku social media athi kimi like ufuna ukusebenza nami I think usebenza nalama brands overseas and stuff
okay
I was like okay no problem I was so interested oh sharp khona lelanga leli ekumele sihlangane ngalo baba na gitsibile gore motho tla etsa business wa understand hayi umuntu sekajika story hayibo sifike kanjani la
hey my dad
like sifike kanjani are you really attracting me indaba ze business because ngikutshela from a phone ukuthi if we not working and then ayikho lento le wena wangithembisa ukuthi siyosebenza right sifike kanjani la
mayifike awusekho umsebenzi
uwe
manje
ha mfethu
eish
ngathi yazi na ngijwayela kabi wena hayi angifeel so mina ngisathembi nje umuntu ofuna ukwenza ibusiness etsela sohlangana kwi sport engicomfortable ngaso because imagine ngizo travela a long distance only to find that into engitravelela ayikho khona nalo omunye ne as you can see guys I'm a brand ambassador shout out to abomphathi bakhona Rila Musa DMW Dirty Mind Works
yeah we're gonna get to it actually
Dirty Mind Works if your Dirty Mind works then this is for you
it's far
yes
yeah
yes yabo so omunye uyangitshela futhi ungilanda ku TikTok girl malini shandisi yakho you understand ngiyamtshela ukuthi hayi skippa malini isigcoko malini athi hayi okay akunankinga so ngicela ukuthi sise conversation ku WhatsApp so that uzokwazi ukungisendela nezinye izithombe you understand ngithi bra awona lezi zinto ozibonayo la yizo you understand and njoba uthi ufuna ukuyisa iconversation mangabe kuthiwa ufuna nje ama number ami ukudlala then ngizokublock mina because I'm all about business anthi ngitexte via business because kube ngitextele izinto zakhe personal benye ngupha ama number ami but ungitextele ibusiness you understand so it's fine ngamisa ku WhatsApp umuntu kwaba ngazathi hey ufuna ukuthenga akasakhuluma indaba zokuthenga sekayalena le hayi mina ngagaqa ublock hayi angidlali ayibo mangabe uyayifuna serious uzobuyela ku TikTok ayenza akhuluma ngendlela right because umuntu ofuna ukuthenga nyala busy akisale nale I know bathi accommodate ama customer you understand but guys anyeke uzofuna ama number ngomsebenzi wami hayibo udlala ngami phela yeah ibona
but wena as a girl ayijabulisi lento leyo
yangibhora
but ngithanda attention mos
hayi
angithi omunye ugirl mengashelwa uba ne stress
guys iyadina lento leyo mhlambe iyangidina because into engihlangabezana nayo on a daily basis you understand so iyangidina isangijabulisi nje iyangitswafisa nje futhi awuthi
ngoba wena sewunomuntu vele
exactly yeah
awumenkingi kubuza uma uqhathanisa i-previous relationship yakho nalo khona utholani lapho
hayi lona elithatha icup
yo
abana lona guys ngithi surrender baba bayede wena wasikabela yeah the reason why ngisho kanjalo like support engithola ku guy
it's amazing
understand ungiphi support I uvala isikhala lesubabami bekumela habe You understand?
madoda.
Udlala i-role nje.
Yobaba in a way.
In a way,
Yeah, madoda.
uhlezi angisupporta, yonke into engiyenza nje there for me.
Yeah, madoda.
Understand?
Yeah.
He's
Uphi manje?
amazing.
Ongitshela
Uphi manje cause mina
Yeah.
ngabe ukhona
Amazing.
la for support. Uphi manje?
No, hayi usemsebenzini. But then ngimtshelile ukuthi hayi ngisayo podcaster baba.
Ayi wena. So like to what extent like uzothi umfana ukhona ukuvala isikhala sika baba othandana naye?
Wenzani like yini lento lena ngathi mhlambe ekwenza ukuthi ube nalento ukuthi man lento lemela ngabe yenziwa ubaba yazi yini la yenza.
So ngisho. Support yakhe guys akangija like it's more like umngani wami lo muntu lo ngixoxa yonke into naye ungazi ukudlula ubaba mthengisho kanjalo you understand yazi it's okay uayanda umuntu so uayanda akathanda into so
Yeah.
uayanda mangayenza so uzofila kanjani uayanda umuntu othanda into so ithi ngimsupport ngingamjudge you understand because vele yena ekufikeni kwakhe empilweni yami uyazi ngi-content creator ama content creator asanokushutha nabanye abafana there's no need ukuthi ube nesikhwele mele understand no bra listen now I'm so transparent you understand mangiyosebenza ngiyamjosi ngiyosebenza nomuntu osona so you understand and angimind nokuthi mhlambe angikhaphe ngiyelapha engiyakhona and then ayakamind yabona
Manje
uthola
mangeke
kanjani
kusetshenzwe ebusuku.
comfortability.
ngiyayithola because
Yeah.
I know there's nothing wrong engiyenzayo hayibo
Makusetshenzwe ebusuku nakhona.
then uyangisupport because amakhwaya guys amakhwaya nokuhanje ebusuku
That's why ngibuzza.
akanankinga next
But they are boys
ukutsamaya
there.
baby
Futhi those boys are wolves. They can bite at any
Yeah,
given
especially
time.
ama leader.
I think the reason why angafeel somehow angikaze ngamupha lento leyo ukuthi angangithembi you understand
Or there's loyalty like in the relationship.
yes
Vele, like,
now I'm transparent
Oh, the foundation of the relationship, vele on its own, it's loyalty, honesty. So like it's all
Yes.
about being pure and
yes as long as you
transparent.
communicate nje kiyapleke ngeso kitlo khutla kana ke so if mhlambe yabona ukuthi kushaya isikhathe eso ongabuyanga just call
Yeah,
I'm still here ngizokutshela mangiqeda you understand
It's like uhlala naye mos. Uhlala naye.
buzz off
No mhlaba ngama visit.
guys please
Okay. Going back to you making a content creation. Utangavion, I think he works with Double Baby Powder. Have you ever worked with that guy? Because I tried to search for you on Go Baby Powder's video. Bonang.
Baby powder I think ekugcineni ukukhuluma kwethu kwakuthi mhlambe sifuna ukwenza content ne sifuna ukusebenza and the reason being singakasebenzi it's because of mang available ukuyoshuthi content nabo Tangovion mhlambe nisuka nyekho you understand so I think kanjalo nje makakhona angikho
Oh.
mhlambe that's why singagcina
Availability kahle yanishaya.
yaclasha
Nice. Okay. And then who's your favorite like content creator and why?
Jesu. Shembe.
Usonto hayi umthanda ngaka ushembe manje.
Yo.
Ubani content creator that would say, yo, this one
Yeah,
he's my favorite. He or she is my favorite. And why do you say that?
Ozengqondweni yami engijwayele ukumbona umugelings ozengqondweni yami nje kwamanje because vele mina singumuntu oscrolla kuma socials
Why is that vel? Yazi ama content creators nina
scroll
like most azokutshela ukuthi I post then ngiphume.
exactly into engiyenzayo not because of angikho interested kwabanye and stuff but angazi nami angazi idalwa yini
Iyazenzakalela nje. So ileyo life oyiphilayo. You just make content then post and then leave. Because amanye angena check what's going on yabo and stuff like that when you don't do that at all.
And omunye nje ongichazayo enginokuyithola ngihleli ku live yakhe ne. Hayi ukuthi ngichazwa izinto azenzayo nje ingabi weird guys. Unonsi. Cucumber pots. Like ngithanda obukuye like ureal unonsi. Kuri like yabona umuntu ozaziyo ukuthi ufunani. Enye kumtshela otherwise ngelife yakhe. Unonsi anye kumtshela ukuthi wena in ngelife yakho uyazazi. Yabona noma umuntu angeza ngo-opinion yakhe athina yeah kahle mina nje ngichaza ipersonality yakhe izinto azenzayo. Yeah
njengoba eshutha nje yana nje.
Yeah
angithi nokumbona ubuya shuthe ngama
yena ngiyambona but ama video akhe hayi sengiyashuthi nginokuyithola mhlambe ngihlezi ku live yakhe ku TikTok you understand yeah the way angakhona like yeah somehow uyamyenza nomuntu ukuthi yeah wena ungasitshela ukuthi uyangazi awungazi you understand ngu Dimples Dlamini phela lapho the way ungibona ngakhona keep it to yourself you understand anye kumtshela otherwise ngaye. So personality njalo nje uyangichaza yo. Yeah.
Speaking of izinto zama lives, yini lo benefits like staying good lives? Like yini into ngathi this is what I benefit like being there for hours because people like bahlala like ubusuku bonke lapha yakhona umunye wakofika la wathi hey mina sinokushaya live ngo11 sivale ngo4 ekseni yabo ushaya live iqale ngo9 ebusuku singene mhlawumbe ngilala ngo12 ngo4 ngivuka isekhona ngijoine futhi yini le wena uyibenefits like from staying kuma lives
ama gifts and ama gift imali you understand but hayi ukuthi wonke umuntu uba nale privilege ukuthi bazomgifta no like mangabe wazi abantu futhi especially mangabe uconsistent ngokuthi ube live eventually abantu bazoflya ku live yakho bakubona uthi okay inini ugcine uba nefamily enye into nje ifamily o creator ugcine wazi abantu you understand yeah.
Speaking of a family, ikufundisana lento lena about social media as a whole because as much as you can get the family imagine like social media what does it tell you like as much as unalento leyo ukuthi no man you know what this thing like it creates another space for people you can consider them as a family you know what does it tell you
ngitshela ukuthi nabantu ongabazi basangadlala i-role enkulu empilweni yakho you understand because abanye bazogcine baza ngale mentality ukuthi yo okay sharp asikho ku social media kuphela why because nginokubana namanye ama content creators agcine sewahlangana ngobubona you understand abaspend isikhathi you understand so to spend isikhathi nalo muntu loyo more than ifamily yakho yabona so yeah I think ilezo zinto lezo ukuthi usikaba socializer because khona abantu abasanenhliziyo ezinhle la ngaphandle ukuthi mangabe uzohlangana nabo uzobana nayo impilo yakho izoshintsha
kube naleyo relationship
exactly yes
yeah because phela kwesinye isikhathi i-social media yakwakha futhi iyakubhidliza
yakubhidliza nkosi yami
iziphi izinto engakubhidliza mhlawumbe ku social media ongazibala nje mhlawumbe nawe onokuzenze ukuzithola uzibalekela as a content creator or someone who's in the media space
hayi yabona mina nje leyo kulwa kuma social media like futhi these days sekunalezi zinto lezo ukuthi abantu baxabana babodwa guys isithunzi because usogcina ukhipha nale side lela abantu akungamelanga abalibona ugcina uluza nama opportunities because abantu bazocanga ukuthi uDimples umuntu right but the minute babona isigaba sakuthi kanti inyoka kanje lo muntu lo angeke sisebenze naye you understand so ezinye izinto kumele avoideka guys
njengonaledi babuye bamgxeke lo mntwana
guys mara sometimes kunokufika lapho ukuthi abantu bakuhlokoloze to an extent ukuthi nangasakwazi ukuthula nkosi yami uyayibona khona kumnandi ukuavoida but hey abantu bagcina badlalela ekhanda lakho and akukho mnandi kanjalo
But also, I think the management team is very important. Like, take advice on certain things. You can react on this, but you cannot react on this. Because the thing is, like, uthola umuntu react kuzinto ezijike zifake yena under the bus and ezijike zimqhathe nama followers akhe at the end of the day. You see.
Yeah, abanye bafuthi abantu bayashesha kumanje. Bavele bak-unfollow.
Yes.
Phela ukuphapha.
Yes. Lokhu choma ngama numbers bavele bak-unfollow abantu.
Exactly. So
sesasekuyo nje indaba yama content creators imaphi ke officer ukusebenza nama content creators because akhona mhlawumbe azoyibona le video mhlawumbe omunye nje naye officer ukusebenza nawe but monga mention today it can be a point ukuthi naye athole that space ukuthi approach ngicine nisebenza
in terms of content or music or in
saseku content
in terms
of content creation we'll get to music.
Cala ukuyiphuzela nje.
Awuyithathele isiphi lena uzomphendula wazi ukuthi because it's very important ukuthi like as much as ukhuluma indaba yokusocialize you see because manhlangana nama content creators like nisnika entertainment because ukhumbula my people they don't even watch TV anymore but rely on Facebook, TikTok because abanye baya complain about mawungangena lapho ku TikTok it's even hard ukuthi uphume uhlala for hours you keep on scrolling finding different content creators you know so uma sanhlangana like nenze combination because it's a lot of them that keep on working together and lento leyo ubona ama numbers akhona they go up like in most cases you see can you pull back over the mic when you're done so yes it's those kind of things you see so imaphi wena ungasho ukuthi angifuna ukusebenza naye ilo and ibaphi futhi who have tried to work with you
umuntu akazama ukusebenza nami El Pico.
El Pico.
Yeah.
And then what happened?
Ngesikhathi sokuthi kumele sihlangane sisebenze kwajika amatafula nje kwajika izinto ama excuse left right and center. Yeah.
Ubani ozengama excuse
uye no bengiphuma emsebenzini because vele ngangisebenza le Protea Clan and ikaslaki
yeah
eshasikisa ukusho ukuthi uhlalaphi yeah
yeah okay
I hope uzongixolela so yeah ngangisebenza kulawo ma site lawo and kwakumele sihlangane sas organize kushabu vele ngimthothi ngichasa ngoba nesikhathi makumele sihlangane how umuntu transport uye kuphi nani I was like kanjani because si organizeile ngakuthothi ngichasa ngoba nesikhathi why disappointa sengila because ngaleso sikhathi ngalelo langa I think bekuthiwa emsebenzini asingeni mara kule kangena so ngiyazibuza ukuthi kube mhlambe bekungangenwa and ngigibelile ngaya lapho bekuzenzakala nengijike futhi you understand guys sebenzisa imali ayikhiwe esihlahleni
iyasetshenzela
right
but usafuna ukusebenza naye
but usafisa ukusebenza naye
yeah khona singayenza content ngiyafisa yabo but into engizoyisho ukuthi guys asinga disappointani makuseli 1 hour sithi akusenze you understand communication is very important yabona anye ngithi mina sengiprepared and stuff and then ungitshele sekuseli 30 minutes ukuthi yomfetha ngeke sisakhona ukusebenza lento leyo iwisana umoya mhlawumbe uzozibona ngathi mhlawumbe uyi problem or ini anyeke usayibeka ngakuye you understand uzobe sozibuza wena ukuthi yini ngiyenzeni yimi ngafila kanjalo ukuthi why all of a sudden ngikwashintsha you understand ngiyenzakaleni ngiyenzeni mhlawumbe but ke all is well
but ngoba ngikhuluma naye El Pico you must mele wenze into right bafo
enza into right emntwanini
because ngikhuluma naye vele I think ngizomtshela nje after this interview no mfethu had someone on the show and complaining that you guys couldn't work, but usafisa ukuthi nisebenze yabo, and they make a great content.
Exactly.
And I think Mike Tata to make like a collaboration, it's gonna be dope.
No, I was so excited. Ngalanga leli ngithola text.
Yeah, ne?
Uthi yo Dimple. I was like, what? I even posted ku status sam.
Yeah.
Like yo, bang sister one. Uthi
Yeah,
funa
ne?
seventh. Yabona, I was so excited. Only to find out maybe nabantu bayasho ukuthi hey ugcina athi phela mina ngithanda ukuposta phela. Shara awuyenzakaleni Nkosi yami. Yeah, but then I kuzolungiseka ngiyazi.
I know it's gonna make things up. Naye to add nje on his situation, because nami ngikhuluma naye, he's a very busy guy at the moment.
Alright.
So I'm not surprised mawuthi you guys were supposed to work and then and then he came back no man I need to go and do something again because it's busy vele yabo. But it's not as much as busy. Communication also is very important njengoba usho yabo. Bekumele asho ukuthi can we reschedule for another day this shooting because something came up on my end yabo, because vele abakhona ama emergencies yabo. Yeah, and ama emergencies you can't use them as an excuse asuke ama emergencies, those situations, you see.
But
so
ngivela ngazibuza ukuthi because after lapho kulokathuleka. You understand?
Akabange sakhuluma.
Exactly. Yabona azange sakhuluma ukuthi hayi mhlambe sizoshutha ngelinye ilanga or something. Yabona?
Yeah.
Angingazi noma mhlambe bekangitutsa or ini. Mina ngithanda ukututsa.
Yeah.
Nisazosebenza mfethu. And you didn't mention who else, because now I think is on the list of the people you want to work with. Who else maybe can you mention?
Naye omunye shaya content. Usesika Nthato.
Oh,
Yeah.
Bambiza ngobani
Maria.
Yeah, usis Maria.
Usis Maria.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
naye shamaye.
Yeah, ne. You love his content. Yeah, he's good. Yeah, no, it's good. It's good. And then tell me, like, what is the worst thing, like, like during a shooting, like in shoots and shit, like, listen to some content creation. What is the worst that you could say? Oh, this, it freaked me out, Lentole.
Hayi ngokwe content yayi akaze kayenzeka izinto ezisnacks, but that time mhlambe shoota I movie ne short film nyana nje. Yabona lento le yokungalelana kusetshenzwa guys. Umuntu athi uyahamba ngaso sikhathi sekufika iphathi yakhe, irole yakhe kumele siyenze, but yena uyahamba misunderstanding nje encane beyingalungiseka. You understand lento le ivele ispoil imood phela uba out of character phela manje. So canga ukuthi yo kuzoyenzakalani because lo muntu lona ufuna ukuhamba ngiyasasebenza ngalendlela le besithe sosebenza ngayo siplane ngayo. So yiyo nje into yesekela yenzeka.
Bekuyiphi lo move le benishoot?
YGBV.
Black Lions
Movement. Yes, Black Lions Movement.
What was it all about to someone who haven't watched it? Like beyimayelana nani?
Gender-based violence, like ukuhlukumezeka, you understand, alcohol abuse, you understand. Yabazi laba baba nje ukuthi mabaphuzile bashaye, bafike bashaye nje noma kungena sizathu sokuthi bashaye. Yeah, it's all about that.
Oh, so when creating awareness.
Yes.
And also that thing, I think it was giving back to the community. Why?
Because we feel ukuthi khona abantu abadingayo guys. You understand? Abangatholi izinto nje just like that. Abangathi ukuthi bangabalekela kuphi. You understand? So
benishare lokho okuncane.
Lokho okuncane sinakho. Hayi ukuthi sinayo yonke into, but we felt masiphile, makujabula abantu. You understand? Hayi nathi si right. Because sometimes it's not all about you. Ukubona omunye umuntu happy, ukungabi selfish. Lokho okuncane nanoma nje uphethe 1 rand yokugcina. Umuntu makafikile athi yazini mfethu mhlambe ngilambile ngicela ungiphe. Ukungabi selfish, upha nje ngentliziyo emhlophe, then nje yonke into izoba right. Because it's not all about you emhlabeni. Mele sicabangele nabanye abantu. Thola ukuthi uyidinga kamampela ke and wena awuyikho isidingo sayo ongayenza ngayo lento le. so kumele uphi.
You mentioned ukuthi wenza music. What kind of music do you do?
Piano,
Hey, madam,
Afro pop.
amapiano. Okay.
Yeah, ke batla lo zama gospel nyana mo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. In like, are there any artists that you look up to, or what? Like, or it's the thing. It's just it's a vision, a grow within you, or it's something that oyibone from other people that who inspired you, or fisa okufana nabo one day or what?
Yo guys, mina ngikhule ngithanda music, into engayisho ngikhule ngithanda music. Ne soze ngisho ukuthi ngaqala ukucula ngifunda grade 6. Kuze afika to a point whereby ngazicreatela ikhwaya yami primary. Then ngaqala ke ukuyenza ama studio sessions, but obviously khona ama artists nje obonayo ukuthi yo yabona lana onkosazana daughter.
Yeah.
Oh, yabona la baba aba nje abakhulumayo bra, ngithanda mina ukuyi-expressa nje ku music.
Yeah.
Ngithanda
Like
nje
your
ukudlala
emotions.
ngama exactly, I express myself through music. Uyayibona? So yeah, yo guys, ngithanda umculo onjalo nje yabona. Yabo nkosazana daughter,
Yeah.
abo Mpumi.
That's why uculi i-clap and tap.
Yes.
Because sometimes nokuzwa nje kunokuphuma ugel nje acula enye into nje uzothi yeah.
And then njengoba mentioned indaba yokuthi niba nama studio session, in most of my studio sessions, because Nami, I was once an artist. So well I'm still am, but it's not about me today, it's about you. So into engifuna ukuyazi ukuthi like a studio, like there's always like a lot of guys like in the room. How do you deal with it, like as a lady and as a someone who they may find attractive? Yeah, but how do you deal with guys like because I'm a producer, I still with the foot. Yeah, but so they might come with an idea. You could, hey, in order for me to release this song, I might as well maybe use it for a night session. Yeah, but then so you keep excited.
First things first, mina mangithenga izinto ngisuke ngiyele yona. Understand, ngiyele ezinye izinto. Mawe uzongizela ngeingqondo zokuthi baby girl, in order ukuthi sikhiphe asenze so. Guys, I get comfortable. Why kumele kube yinika guys? Why usingasizani purely? Like, you understand? Cause guys, no. But around abafana guys, nake ba comfortable.
Yes.
Yo kakhulu, like
you grew up with a lot of gents or what?
even at school, as just I don't have friends.
So
Ne?
you have male friends.
Nalento ukuthi amantombazane bavangizondela ibody yami something.
Yeah.
You understand? So besingachayisana umona. Yabo, so nasesikolweni nje ay bengihlezi nje ngina abafana abana into ezisnacks, yabo. So ngifila comfortable anginalento le ukuthi yo hayi wena makhuluma nami ngizofila kishapo fela kiba nina. I'm always myself nje.
Bofunda kuphi if I may ask?
Ema foreign phahlele. Okay, ngiqale eVukani. Okay, ngiqale u grade R kwami ngiqale eMlayetsa. And then ngaphuma ngaye eVukani, ngaye eDonaldson. And then ngaye eRutwile. And then ngagcina ngaseMafori.
Okay, and lastly, just to say Vala in the way of you making music, what would you say like are the difficulties you are facing as a woman like in the music space?
Isengikhulumele mhlambe babanye abantombazana because
Yeah,
mina I so far angaka thola ama difficulties. Understand? I think gore abanye abantombazana because of but desperate ukuthi babe out there babonomhlaba bayenza anything ukuthi bagcine sebayithola balapho, of which ayikho right lento mina shamanye ngiyipromote. You understand? Umuntu makafuna ukusebenza akasebenze kahle without ukuthi akenze ufile ngazathi uyam owa. You understand? I feel ukuthi mina umuntu mafuna ukungisiza akangisize nje ngeqiniso. Angangizeli ngengqondo ezisnacks guys ukuthi hayilala nami because ikhona lento le abantu baningi abantu abahlangabezana nazo ukuthi lala nami and make things happen for you. You understand? Of which ayikho right guys. Akukho right ukuthatha advantage ngomunye umuntu just because of ufuna ukubonwa naye.
And thola ukuthi une talent.
Thola ukuthi une talent but uzothini? But ama difficulties lawo nje uthi bafuna ukulala nawe at the end of the day badlala ngawe uzithola music wakho ungaphumanga because of maseka kufuna futhi awusakhona bathi angijwayela kabi lo because akasakhona ayikho into engizoyirelease of which is wrong. You understand? Yeah, sometimes ukuba desperate akusizi guys. Just observe, be yourself, learn. Eventually along the way uzothola abantu aba right abazobona ukuthi okay like ufuna ukuyaphi ngempilo. Hayi abantu abazodlalela ekhanda lakho. Yayibona? Yes.
Yeah, and sikubonile bo advertiser I Determines Work not so long nje manje nje uyitshengisa on the cam. Ikuthola kanjani this brand and who owns this brand? I think they deserve those credits, those guys with Bartol.
Shout out to Urila, Kirisaga, Umusa. Yeah, abantu abaphethe I-brand.
Okay.
Yabona? So, yeah.
And into engifuna ukuyazi like as an influencer like ngigqoka ama brands like ngibona ama influencer amaningi agqoka like ama brands and what I don't understand how do you guys like benefit like you as an influencer because I get the brands really it get popularity nokuthi yaziwe and stuff because of igqokwa abantu who are in the media space and who we consider as public figures you see so how do you guys nina benefit?
So first things first ngasho ukuthi ama brands awasebenzi ngokufana. You understand? Khona ama brands a prefer ukuthi like as nje mina mhlambe ngi content creator kanje the only thing engizoyithola kubo is staff sabo no money included. You understand? Abanye uthola staff uphinde uthole nemali mawuthola ama sales and then abanye uya advertiser ubaphi staff sabo back and then makuza isale uthola imali. Yeah abasebenzi ngokufana nje.
But lento I think Ian grew manina as ama influencer or people who are in the media space because we see people like Abo Daliwonga like is a brand ambassador of iDiesel which is it's a big brand. So as much as nikwazi ukuthi nithathe these local brands and nwaqoke noma senfika at that level and fisa because obviously at the level where I'm seeing you it might be the level la wena osafuna penetrate to the pinnacle or to the highest you see so I think Ian Goman and his artist it's something that you get used to yabo and to an extent you'll understand how these brand things work yabo and you won't have any complication to all keep our scandals I've been robbed I was played it's this it's that yabo because the thing is into I'm a first time experience a better la because now you tend to be vulnerable at times yabo like good now you will feel used and Toluguti did not benefit at all like from that
but ezinye izinto guys ne hayi ukuthi ngiyibeka kabi or something angithi ma umuntu let's say I brand yak approach and stuff before now uthatha leyo offer mele nihlale phansi nikhulume nivumelane angithi nivumelane kungabi ngazathi manje bathatha advantage anyeke phela uzovuma into ongayithandi yabona so why kumele uzufile like ngathi bayakuuser or something ukuthi into wena oyivumile that's why ngisho sometimes ukuba desperate akusizi because of uzogcina uvuma nezinto at the end of the day nawe zizok affecta ngendlela wrong yabo yeah so nje mele understand ukuthi okay I brand le kubizile iyenzani isebenza kanjani so that wazi ukuthi mawungena nawe usifaka kuphi yeah
okay and then into that I would like to know because it's not only you like abantu promote ama brands I work with a lot of influencers, and I've seen people come with different outfits whereby they're promoting our local brands. You see, like, what is it about these local brands? Like, cause now, with my own perspective, like I feel like I'm a brands like about Nike, Adidas, Puma, they're slowly fading because of now these influencers but implement these clothes like it's a thing of now we don't need Puma like ukuthi for me to get likes or for me like to get traction or what. No, I can wear something that I prefer to wear, and then I can still gain those followers and people will still love me. Like it won't be there won't be any problem with that.
Your question again?
My question is, what is it that you guys, why like you are into mostly like local brands, like as for wena because I would not want you to speak for everyone else, but if the shoe fit values so yeah, but what is it that about you? Because as I'm saying, I would say these brands, they're slowly fading away because of influence and on people, the influence that you guys have on people. Because now that's why I approach Anina, because they can see the only way to get this brand up and running and emehlweni abantu is use people like you, people like I can name them, we can take the whole day, you see, influencers just to cover them all. Like yini le nina eningathi ekahle kahle as for wena ukuthi this is the reason why I'm promoting our local brands and don't wear about Nike and stuff. Because remember, back in the day, there used to be election culture. I'm not sure if you still remember that.
I know
Sneak that thing, it's gone. You see, it's gone. Yeah, but on Nike, nabo Adidas, they're still there. But with this influential in now, when it comes to clothing, obviously now slowly but surely they will die. In my own perspective, yeah,
So first things first, ngama local brands zi-unique into zabo, guys, and zi-reasonable, you understand? Hayi ukuthi manje ma umuhle kumele ugqoke into edurayo nje uzozibona umuhle and stuff. No, nanoma ugqokile nje into yakho eshibhile, as long as nice kufanele, then yeah, we good to go. And mina nginalento lokuthi I support black business, guys. Sonke sifuna ukukhula. You understand? Mangabe angisupport, bazosupporta ubani. You understand? So yeah, guys, ezinye izinto for mina zidura mahala. Abanye basigcokela ukuthi yazadura ngifuna i-status, you understand? But guys, khona izinto ezinice bheka nje.
Yeah.
Bona nje athi ngibheka nje. Dirty mind works, you know. Nice lento le unique, you understand? So I feel ukuthi ezinye izinto zidura mahala just because of abantu ba pusha igama le status. Hi, Dimples uyadura. Hi, Dimples in. It's not all about that.
Okay.
Sorry, it's not all about that. Yes, Dimples uyadura, then what? Siyobona nemathune. Zosala emhlabeni lezinto lezi, zosala emhlabeni.
Kona zosho manje bayabona le brand le athi uze nenye.
Zosala emathune.
Yeah, actually alright lapho because recently China beyisikhombisa ukuthi America isroba kanjani.
Exactly. You understand?
Yeah.
That's why ngithi ezinye izinto zidura mahala.
Yeah.
Just because of ufuna ukubona ukuthi hayi uyandayo ugqoke Nike head to toe and then status less. So guys, even cool ni support ama brands asekasi. Lezi zinto zintswembu nice.
Quality.
Mawugqokile uyabonakala. There's no way. Yeah. Hey.
Okay, going back to you having followers, because I've seen a video, and it was very interesting when like I was doing my research on you. Actually, I'm like, damn, I'm checking Facebook. I see, oh wow, and then I went to Instagram, and I'm like, wow, because it's hard to gain mama followers there. But I saw Uguti, she had managed to gain 169 followers. Imagine with Instagram, how hard is it to gain such followers? But yeah, she had accomplish leyo nto leyo, yabo. So all I want to know is that my question is, go on my social platforms, including TikTok, which one you would say you spend time the most or that you love? Because obviously I think it links. The one that you love, it's the one that you're gonna spend time the most to go, yabo. So iyipi social platform that you love between TikTok, Instagram and TikTok, and why? TikTok.
Yes.
Okay.
So ngimentionile ukuthi ngisitholela ifamily laphaya
Okay.
ku TikTok, ngisitholela ifamily.
Yeah.
Abantu ukuthi like noma nje ngihleli ngibhorekile ngaya ku platform sihlale sixoxe kwemnandi kube ngathi sisazana, you understand, because ifike na kule point whereby sohlangana sibe ne camp kube ne gathering, you understand, and when you play matches they support, and bear in mind ukuthi when they support abantu baspend ama coins, you understand, imali nje kumele bakhiphe emapokoteni wabo, you understand. So i-support enjalo mina ngithanda yonke into engiyenzayo, ngithanda lapho kune support ikhona, guys. So yeah, i-TikTok, yeah.
And I feel like that's real love. Like ukuthi people to give you money, like umuntu a recharge just to give you money, that's real love.
Exactly.
That person uyakuthanda kodwa
Kakhulu,
wena ngithi
ngathanda love.
mayifika sebuya sekakutshela ukuthi seyakuthanda sekodwa ukugifta ngelion la
Ngithanda umndeni, ngithanda ngokusa, hayibo.
Yo. Okay. You mentioned ukuthi you're not a baddie, ane? So what I want to know now, what's your type? Do you have a type?
Nina kuna type.
You don't have a type.
Kuna type nina.
Why?
Why? Umuntu
So uthanda umuntu onjani?
ayizokuxoxela. The reason why ngithi angina type, umuntu angaba muhle, i-body structure, mari ingqondo ayikho. Okunenhliziyo embi. You understand? Umuntu abe iglove. Umuntu abe iglove. Umuntu abe iglove. Mari inhliziyo ibe wow. I-personality wow. You understand?
Yeah.
And then kube nomuntu alright obukekayo, you understand, obukekayo njengami. Yeah, middle class.
Yeah, right. You're right.
Umuntu obukekayo
Yeah.
macada abe nenhliziyo, yo abe pure man, like you understand, because ungathola umuntu uthi muhle uneyimali, body structure mara abusive. You understand?
So
What's the point?
What's the point?
Exactly. So na ke rate go ba dilong tse jwalo. Red flag. Aqala nje uthi hey guys ngiyabaleka. Esikhathini samanje abantu bayabulalana, guys.
Yeah.
So kumele ube careful ngempilo yakho. Anyeke mina ngivuma ukuthi umuntu azongikhathela life nje ngisasemncane, guys.
Hey.
Yo. So aqala uthi ngendlela esabisayo. Hey run. Angibheki nasemuva.
Yeah, but abanye benathi bathanda ukuyilahlela kuma gangster lapha.
Yeah.
Because bafuna imali nani.
Ibona imali inkinga, imali inkinga kakhulu imali Nkosi yami.
Easy cash.
Yazi nina ke rata ngithanda ukuthi ngispend imali engiyisebenzele, guys. So ngisho ukuthi angithanda ukuhluphana. You understand? I think futhi le nto le ngisave ezintweni eziningi because kube ngulo muntu lo vele olandelela imali to that extent kube mhlawumbe ngikho la.
Yeah, ne?
You understand? So
ngabe sowuphelile lokubhiza
Yo, Nkosi yami.
semali.
Hey.
There are people who are slavery for imali. They are.
Yeah.
You see, people who can do anything for imali. So
money.
slave semali la.
So na guys, I prefer to noma ngajwala nomuntu broke as long as uthando likhona nje i-loyalty khona angiphatha kahle siphathane kahle nje noma ngaba broke. So I build a life sonke hayi ukuthi manje ngiyophaphela umuntu oseka nezimali o drive imoto enjani because of ngifuna status ngizoyenza ngaleso status so thangijabulanga abantu babekezele la ngaphandle yazi. So ukuthi uhlalele into ayibenefitayo out of that relationship but akekho happy.
awusilo gelo wamazipho.
Aish, Nkosami, I'm just me. I'm Dimples
Ngiyabona
Dlamini.
wafakanga.
I'm Dimples Dlamini, guys. Ay, nothing much, nothing less. Angizenza umuntu engingasiwuye. You understand? I'm true to myself. I'm true to myself.
Then how do you handle guys like abazayo, abanemal, who show off with money just to get your numbers, to get your attention?
Story.
Ufuna ukukhipha.
As I can take you out to
Something
the
like-
richest or like the most modelistic hotel or restaurant.
Yeah.
Yo, guys, mina ngithathe kalula.
Hey, my dog.
Naye boyijothi ngithathe kalula.
Ubani manje?
Uhlehle.
Yeah! Ukhuza la iduzane man.
Hayi ngibheka camera. Hayi bazobhekelela.
So sithini istory sakho?
So into engithola njalo guys lento le nabantu
Is it?
bangi-offere, you understand? Lama ngena kuma inbox wami nje ngaphendula inkosi yami. Ngi-offera ama lunch left right and center. Ngi-offera ukuthi bazongithengela ama flights ngize kuphi. Ngi-offera in. But because I'm not all about that guys. Na akidikeni. Hayi angizingeni mina. Khona umunye futhi ngathi beku December.
Yeah.
Angiscreenshotela nebalance yakhe. Athi ngifuna ukudla imali nawe.
Hey!
Ngathi kuye ufuna ukudla imali nami. Wayekhetha mina out of all girls.
Out of all people.
Out of all girls wakhetha mina.
Yeah.
Ufunani wena? Imali yakho, I'm happy
Yeah,
for
yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Go spend it with your family or abantwana bakho. You understand? Nake sharp.
But wena bongacabanga ukuthi uyidlela imali kuphela.
Batho mangiceda ukuyidla obviously
Run
you
away.
expect something. Na singinika. He.
Oh.
Yo, hayibo. Uyisebenzele yakho hambo
Yeah,
yidla.
yeah.
Yabona ngize ngiyacongratulate ukuthi tsamayela yidla. I'm happy for you. You understand? So guys,
So what's your love language?
yo guys. Hey! Angihleki.
Wenza.
Ngicela ukuphuza. Yeah.
Yeah. I just want to know. I'm dying of curiosity, so I really want to know.
Into engiyaziyo nje I'm not complicated. Understand? Ukubonda nje nomuntu wami.
Yeah.
In what way? Like cuddling?
Yeah, namfethu hayibo. Yeah, ukhadlila. Abona lo bhiza ngitshela ngiyakuthanda. Cabuze. Fela nje.
Cabuze. Where? Like go forehead or where?
Like angicabuze.
Oh.
Guys nina aliyo sharp. Aliyo sharp yabo. Asingulabantu la ukuthi no. Ngikhipha kuma restaurant, ngikhiphe in. That's why I'm not complicated. I'm just a simple kasi girl. You
You're
understand?
such a good girl.
Nah, I behave. I
But
behave.
they all say that. No one says I'm a bad girl.
Mamela.
No, but no one says I'm a bad girl. We can have that
Listen.
debate the whole day.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
Yazi mina ngihlezi ngithini ne? Ngihlezi ukuthi engiyikhulumayo ngiyayikhuluma. Umuntu mangabe ufuna ukungazi kumele angijwayele, you understand? Uzobona ukuthi kahle hle uyanda umuntu onjani. You understand? Wayanda umuntu onjani? Kungabi ukuthi that's why umuntu mangibuza ukuthi ayanda umuntu onjani, ngingamtsheli ngithi uzozibonela. Yayibona?
Oh, okay.
Yes, uzozibonela. Angifuna uku-explain izinto eziningi ukuthi hayi ayanda umuntu oso because eventually kuzofika lapho umuntu angiphikisa khona. So ngivele ngimuphe nje i-space ukuthi wena zibonela ukuthi umuntu ayanda umuntu onjani. Yeah, njalo.
As it is something that you mentioned, like that really caught my attention. You said the guy that broke your virginity, the guy apparently he cheated on you. Then I went back to the drawing board. Then I was like, how is that possible? Because now, well, even I think my viewers have one. Yeah, you're stunning. You're beautiful. So what I don't understand, a lady can still be beautiful and cheated. Like for wena, like that guy obviously boso umnikile lento I think bese kayifuna and he was getting it. Yabo. So yini lento kwenza ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi ama gents I cheat. Like, why do you think guys cheat? Because you can still be beautiful and satisfied, but still like cheated.
Right.
So to your own perspective, since you've went through that, I think what is it that you had learned? Good, no man. I think I was enough for the guy, but still, and I was giving the guy everything, but still, he cheated on me.
Ukukhala.
Ukhala.
Ukukhala. Yabona ukukhala.
Yeah.
Obviously, for example, mhlambe bavula ishop and yabona ukuthi yo lokudla lokho kuyami. Uzokhala and one day you'll make sure ukuthi uzohamba uyokutaste angithi. Noma like mhlambe nalokho ojwayele ukudla kuna everything yabona ukuthi hayi nje mhlambe bowukufavor ukuthi hayi yabona so far this is the best meal engike ngayizwa but because of ubone le eyami uzoyihalela and uzofuna ukuya ukuthi ya ngifuna ukuyitaste kunje ukukhala nje ukukhala ayikwenye ungaba muhle ume kahle umuntu wakho umuphe njalo makathi ini but ukukhala
uzogijima umupha every day.
ukukhala asekena ukukhala bafethu sakhona kune self control elifini awukuyiphatha uma umuntu uyela ukukhalela yonke into.
No, but awucabanga ukuthi mhlambe usoke like you can eat mhlambe amasi every day. Like uyakhathala like ukudlala namasi like every day. Every day.
Ufuna different taste.
Then ufunani
Yabona usacela ukuvezile lokho ukuthi no man yabo. So obviously man udla something different. Yabo so that's why ubona that's why today maybe your boyfriend can take you out niyodla iKFC. Kusasa ngeke akukhiphe niyodla iKFC. Uzokukhipha mhlambe niyodla pizza or niye ku McD or KFC. So awuyiboni that way because abanye bayi explain kanjalo apparently yabo.
Hi guys. Awona mina mangabe kunjalo. Hayi ngcono ngihlale ngingajoli guys. Hawu ngeke sibali.
Yeah.
Yo uzokhala until nini uzohamba udla wena just because of awukhona ukudla amasi every day wawungazibambi mangabe uyangithanda uzozibamba for mina ungirespect at least ungahlekisi ngami because I believe ukuthi nanoma mhlawumbe uhamba uyofuna awufuni nje umuntu ongangazi ufuna lo ongazi ukuthi yo vela lo muntu lo umuntu kaAyanda so ukukhala asizibambeni guys anye kulumeke ndawo hayibo.
Okay, and okunye like as much as you were in school I think a lot of girls bebakuzonda because of they wanted to be you or be like you yabo and abanye maybe maybe they had that mentality to an extent ukuthi bazabacabanga ukuthi man I can't even get a BBL mhlambe ngicine sengifana naye. What do you think about such? Like is it a good thing to take such things like BBLs and stuff just to make your ad a bit fat?
Yeah. Hayi for mina nje guys mangabe ufuna ukuba ethenge niphenike advice ngiye yami ye2 cent you understand.
Yeah.
Mangabe mhlambe ufuna ubona kahle ukuthi ufuna ukuma hit i-gym guys. I-gym yakhona khona le machine yenzayo ukuthi mhlambe ujime upompeke indunu ujime upompeke amathanga you understand just nje izinto
lomjitelo odunusayo
King of squad.
exactly
Yes.
so indaba zama
possible ukuthi no yes you can make it a bit fat.
indaba zama BBL hey guys
Yeah.
I think I waste of money nje cuz somehow na
Yeah.
Yeah, wane.
yeah
Makamba wesikhathi.
yeah mele you maintain futhi you understand so I think it's best mangabe accepted the way ungakhona mangafuna ukumaintain mhlawumbe ibody gym there's no way ukuthi anye kube ne shape
Yeah.
there's no way.
Okay, sesoyivala nje. Enye into ngifuna ukuyazi as much as I think a lot of gents that also approaches you and nalaba abakutshengisa ama back balance and stuff most of them are old yabo it's old people like what's your take on girls like dating old people because obviously lapha I think you benefits like things like money like just to cover it all like materialistic things yabo you get kind of things like these are simple and even nemali you get such allowances as much as bawusho ukuthi babakho bayagaya allowance there's someone ongaba indoda yakho that can give you allowance yabo
So bring it in.
yes so what's your take on girls like dating old people because they benefit. Abanye, they are living life to the fullest. I won't lie. Like life to the literally like life to the fullest.
Yeah, mina shama anyengijaji yabo. Bangabe yakusebenzela mfethu. Go for it.
Yeah, ne?
But yeah, sometimes abantu abaziyenzi.
Yeah, ne?
Isimo.
You're right, eh?
Yeah.
Isimo hayi ukuthi bayenza because of bethanda.
Isimo siyaba forced.
Siyaba forced ukuthi bayenze izinto. Yeah, exactly.
That lazy abangeke babe proud
Yeah,
ngazo.
Yeah, so isimo. So anike ngithi hayi ongayenzi because angazi ukuthi uphila kanjani. Abantu aba surroundile isekele enjani.
Enjani.
You understand? Yeah, sometimes uyenza izinto because of ufuna ukucope elifeini ungatholi isupport le kumele uyithole from efamily yakho. Uqola ukuthi uyayilanda nje estradeni ubona ngathi ukuthi okay sharp. At least mangizothola isupport ngalento lengiyenzayo. Ngizocope elifeini. Yabona? So mina shema abantu abenza kanjalo angibajaja ngifuna ukutshela mama. Akekho umuntu othanda ukuphisana ngeqe.
Especially in exchange for money.
Exactly. Akukho mnandi.
You're not giving it like willingly.
Exactly.
Yabo.
Especially umuntu mangamthandi just uyenza because of imali. Akukho mnandi. So mina angibajaji shem. Mangabe yabasebenzela and mangabe bacope sharp. Then it's okay.
Okay. Lastly, Sesoivala nje, we about to wrap it up. Sesoivala nje. Yazi, there's something that actually that I heard about that I was not even aware. Hey, a lot is happening in Soweto. A lot is happening. I don't wanna lie. So, like, I was this with Bolt's driver, ne? So this guy apparently now like he don't have like the full info. Yabo. Well, I can tell like from when Uguti, obviously you're not into is into that can get
Fancy
that can
stuff.
give you like fast life like just like that, you know. But what I've heard, I don't know how what information do you have on this, but I just want to share it with you and also with the viewers. They can comment down below if they know this app that I'm about to implement. So apparently, they say there's an app like now. You can sell iqe, so say iqe.
Iqe.
Yeah. So you can sell iqe. Like guma there's this app where ubukwa khona like kunabantu abajoinayo there like bakbook ukuthi no come to this place bakboltela and you also charge based on that. So I don't know if ufaka nezithombe zakho or there or what, but it's those kind of apps like say change this whole thing yokuba I don't wanna put it to a sense ukuthi kube ngathi ngiyaba disrespect because some of them they're making a living out of that, yabo. But to people like who are selling, yabo. So they are such app. Have you heard of that?
Hayi angazi because
You've never?
asingi izinto engizilandelelayo. Ala mhlambe kube bengi lapho nami kule industry. Mhlambe kube ngishaya A+ nge-information. But I get to even next.
Please do comment down below if you know the app that I also don't know it. It's just information that I heard about. So sometimes it's better to share knowledge that you have so that people we can learn things because we learn every day. Yabo. Even though we don't go to school, but we still learn. So
Yes, we learn every day.
Yes. So nje sifunda nje mihla namalanga. Okay, sesiyivala nje guys, usithembisile wathi uzosiculela. Angakhohlwa, khulekani, angakhohlwa. Athi simnike nje iplatform asiculele, then we gonna wrap it up.
Asinto big ne. Ngishaya nje ama inote nyana nje.
Okay. Athi sizwa mfethu.
It's one of ingoma engingayenza but angaze ngayikhipha.
Okay.
Yabo, just
uyayibhalela ingoma.
ngiyazibhalela nkosi yami.
Yeah, we compose.
Yeah nje.
Ayikho ingoma oyikhipha before.
Inkosi, yabo.
Oyikhona kuma social
Inkosi ya.
kuma all digital platforms.
Yeah, but ngafika to a point whereby azange ngasakhokhela ama-distributors yabo, so because of I was running solo guys bese ngikhathala nami ukuthi yo
Yeah.
yes, sometimes into mayenziwa now be motivated yabo udinga i-support in order for you to move.
Yeah.
But as ngishilo
But now ngurila musuyacula.
uDimples uyeza ngamandla futhi ngamandla.
Real baba, you must be the plug baba.
Yes.
Awazwenza ingoma no real.
We
Oh,
are
it's
about
still
to.
coming.
Yes.
Oh, it's still coming. Okay. Yeah.
Uthi ngicela ukuhlala kahle ngithi.
Sis.
Ningangenzi nani nervous hayibo.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, let me
Relax.
just share this. Okay, because after that, I think we'll share my social platforms wakhe, and then we're gonna wrap it up. Please do. I know Guti, you will enjoy very the notes that she's about to sing. So please do like, comment, share, hit that notification button so you can be notified whenever we're dropping an episode. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Please do subscribe. So yeah, let's give her a chance. Uguti, asicudele.
Ni subscribe.
Yeah.
Right.
So there's a mic. Yeah.
Baby, angifuna abanye ngaphandle kwakho. Angifuna abanye ngubambo lwami. Thank you.
Wow.
It's like
Wow. Yo.
Yes.
Yo, indlela eqale ngayo kodwa bengayithembi mayisa kodwa
Hayibo.
ngizwile. Hayi ngiphathi ngizwile no ngizwile shem.
Yeah, nice one,
No,
nice.
I'm a fan now. No, I'm a fan.
Yabona manje sozoziwa abantu abaningi because la kuza ama artists la.
Yes.
And
Bazo
those
feature.
vocals, I think they would be nice, like on
Yeah.
a piano beat, yo.
Ne?
Yeah, they will
Yeah.
be. Yeah, you can share your social platforms on that camera. Then we're gonna wrap it up.
Alright, my Instagram udimple.dlamini3 and then go Facebook udimples dlamini and then go TikTok u22 dimples the celeb. Maru 22 dimples. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, we are out, Sebo.
Thank you.